This is the unboxing of the Red Cat Racing Volcano 18. Okay, let's tear into it and see what we've got inside. Okay, so the first thing that I notice as I look in on it, I see that it is well packaged. I can see that it's sitting in a tray inside of the outer carton. So let's try to lift that out and see what we can find underneath of it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the inner carton out. And as you can see, everything is inside of the inner carton. And we'll set that to the side. And we can see right here. And on the side of it, I'll reach in. And first thing I find is a controller with the battery charger attached to that. Let's see what kind of controller is inside. Okay. A little bit different than some of the other Red Cat controllers that we've seen before. Your trim tabs inside right here. And you also have steering reverse switch, dual rate, and steering trim. And you have your on and off switch, left and right here. Feels pretty good. Like I said, the charger. And then as usual, you'll get a little packet that's got your instructions, warranty card, and it looks like down in here, looks like a antenna straw. So that always keep your directions. And curiosity has got me on the truck itself. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the pins off of the body. So we'll take the pin out to release the battery. It's kind of hinged. Right here, this is the Hexfly 800 battery. It comes with that, and we'll set that right back in. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the body back on, and you want to line up the body posts right here, and we'll go ahead and put one right there to hold that in place, and we'll line up the back right here, and we'll go ahead and put one in place right there. That way it's holding into place. Then I'll go ahead and put the other two pins in. Sometimes you have to hold the body down a little bit. There you go, you got your pins back in. Okay, so we got the body back on it, and we'll go ahead and put it back in the box. Slide slide it in, fold it over. Hobby fans, we hope you enjoyed our video on the Red Cat Racing Volcano 18. If you did, hey, please hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of our content, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Thanks again. Have a great day.